It's another shoe review video. Like I said, I love doing these. I be getting shoes almost daily now at this point. But it's not like any other shoe. It's not like a Jordan or a Nike or a Yeezy or I don't know what shoes I be reviewing for y'all. It's really been mostly Jordan, but this is a different shoe. I don't know if this is designer or not, but yeah, it's a different shoe, a different wavelength. I'm glad that a company finally sent me a shoe like this. I can show different varieties of shoes, but I'm not gonna be talking too long like I always say. But just make sure y'all subscribe, hit the like button, hit the post notifications bell so you can be notified every time I post a brand new YouTube video. And do what you gotta do. Comment something, send it to your friends, your mama, your daddy, your grandparents, your uncles, your tios, your tias, your abuelos, anybody. But yeah, we about to get straight into the shoe. We're not gonna be done doing none of that talking forever because we don't have time for that. Boom! And mind y'all, I'm trying to do this fast because I want to wear these right now and I don't want to have them looking like they're being used. But I need to do this video first, so I'm about to put these on as soon as I'm done with this video. But anyways, and don't mind, it looks like I'm probably I am wearing the same shirt, but I recorded that video a month ago. That one video, the last shoe review video was a month ago, so don't mind it. Anyways, we have this shoe. Boom, boom, the Maison Mihara, I think that's what they call it, Maison Mihara, you sure? I don't know how to pronounce the name, but I know there's multiple different kinds of this shoe. This is the box. I ordered a shoe like this before, and it come like this, so this is really high quality work for, and the camera's about to die. Let me get another battery, 1 second. This is a good quality site. It's from Hype Road, I believe. That's the Instagram. I will have like everything in the description, like the WhatsApp, how you get it, and my code. But I'm not gonna tell you the code just yet. But yeah, this is just a box. It's all white. Now, if we was to open the shoe, open the box up, boom. This is really high quality because it comes with it's not like a plastic wrap. This is some type of material. I don't know, forget fabric, whatever it's called, but, and it comes with the covers. Like, come on, y'all. This is high quality work. Let's just get into the shoe. Ooh. Yes, y'all. These are it. These are it. I wanted this kind and the one that had like the little thingy on top of it. But these are dope. These are fire. You can put these on with literally anything, y'all. Like, it's like another Converse, but you can put these on with anything. The quality is good. They feel thick. This is the top, the MMY with the stuff in the front. This is like the side, the bottom, front view, top view, you know, side view. And this would have come in the inside, this, and then it comes with like the plastic, whatever. But yeah, y'all, this shoe is very sturdy. It feels very like wearable. It feels legit. Like I said, I literally can't wait to put these on. But I don't know how much they normally go for, but like I always say in every video I make about shoes, when it's time to ball on a budget correctly and ball on a budget right. So make sure you do go to this website and get these shoes and get $15 off if you use my code Tyler15. It will be on the code on the screen somewhere, so make sure you do that. But y'all, like, I'm literally in love with this shoe. Like, when I first heard I was about to get this shoe, I was like, come on, I'm already putting fits together. Right? Of course I have to put it on my simplistic on my body. That's how you know it's real. And if you haven't cop, then drop. What? Come on. And now this is the other shoe, put two and two together. Like, the fits with these, y'all, it's not no ordinary Converse. Like, I have these Amazon Converse, I have real Converse, the low tops, then I have some other shoes that look just like this, but not really like this. But these is the best one out of all four of the shoes I just named. Like, quality is good, it's sturdy, it feels good, size is just right. Like, everything's just right and nice about this shoe. Like I said on Instagram, the name is Hype Roads. I will put everything down below. Just make sure y'all really go cop and let them know that I brought y'all there, Tyler brought y'all there, and use my code because we all gonna be winning. I want y'all to win because I'm winning. We gotta grind together. Make sure y'all cop the shoe. Please, 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 please. This is the shoe that y'all may want, for real. I know this, I don't know if this still is hype right now, but if it's not, then I don't know, but I'ma still get it, you feel me? But yeah, love the shoe a lot. And yeah, y'all need to let me know what shoes y'all wanna see me review next. Like, come on. I'm gonna keep getting the shoes and keep getting the shoes. But yeah, love y'all. Remember, get the shoe code Tyler15 for $15 off. I shall see y'all in the next shoe review video. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, and share. Do what y'all gotta do. But T Money is out with the shoes.